Website maintenance versus website redesign. Let's be honest, your website is lot like a car. You wouldn't buy a car just because the tires are low in air. But at the same time, can you drive that car every day for years without spending a penny for service? Definitely not. This is the question we get all the times at NV Digital. Do I just need a small changes or I need to rebuild the website completely? That's the difference between website maintenance and a full website redesign. Making a wrong choice can waste you thousands of dollars. So in this video, we are going to help you decide which one your business needs right now. I am Abdullah from NV Digital. Let's dive in. Okay, what's the difference? Website maintenance is ongoing process. It's about security updates, fixing broken links, plugin fixes, improving SEO, and keep the website run smoothly. Website redesign is a project. It's about rebranding, changing your technology, developing mobile-friendly pages, or even building from scratch. The decision checklist. So, how do you know you just need maintenance? Here is the quick checklist for you. You probably need a maintenance plan if your site is generally working well and bringing in leads. You like your current design, it just needs to be faster. Your main issues are small bugs or outdated plugins. You want to improve your SEO steadily over time. If this sounds like you, don't spend money on redesign. You just need a solid maintenance team to keep your site secure and updated. The red flag checklist. On the other hand, when to redesign, you absolutely need a redesign if number one, your brand has changed. If your website looks like your company 5 years ago, it's confusing your customer. Number two, it's not mobile friendly. If your site looks bad on phone, you are losing 50% of your customer instantly. Number three, high bounce rate. If people land on your site and leaves immediately without buying or calling, your design is failing. Number four, old tech. If your site is built on ancient code that breaks every time when you try to update it, it's time to rebuild. The cost and SEO truth. Now let's talk about two things you care about most: money and SEO. Cost-wise, maintenance is a predictable monthly or yearly cost. Usually few $100 depending on your needs. A redesign is a larger one-time investment, often starting from $3,000 to simple sites to much more for custom build. What about SEO? Maintenance protect your SEO. It keeps your ranking healthy. A redesign can be risky for SEO. If you change all your URLs without a plan, you will lose the traffic. But if you hire a pro who knows how to redirect properly, a redesign will actually help you rank higher in the long run. Here is the bottom line. Your website works for you 24/7, so don't neglect it. If your site is working but feels bit slow or feels buggy, start a maintenance plan today. If your site is embarrassing you or not bringing in sales, start planning a redesign. If you are not sure which bucket you fall into, we can help you. At NV Digital, we help businesses grow with clarity and confidence. Visit nvdigital.in to book a consultation or check out our detailed article about website maintenance versus website redesign, which is linked in the description below. I am Abdullah from NV Digital. Stay cool, stay smile.